in the tunnels again.
Where are we? Are we straight on?
Straight on.
You might be able to see that the weather. Sorry?
It's a little wet.
A little damp. Yeah, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. What is it called? The French Riviera. Nearly called it the Riviera de Rimini. The French Riviera. But we're going to make the best of it. We're going in a little open top car soon. Where am I going here? This way.
Yeah.
Monte Carlo. Yeah, we were meant to be going on a little open top trike tour of Nice around the coastal roads.
And the harbour, but I don't think we will be.
Oh, look at that.
That ship is huge.
I literally
It's a
can't
ship,
get
not
over
a
it.
yacht.
It is.
Oh my goodness.
This is a ship now. That bit of water we just went through. I wasn't expecting that on a bridge. But yeah, it blows my mind every time I drive past that harbour. It's crazy, isn't it?
The different yachts that are in it.
That is a ship.
I know it
I've
is
not
'cause
seen that
it
one.
is,
No, that
I mean,
is a
that's
ship.
the size that ship it
That's
is,
a
'cause
cruise
it's got
ship, isn't it?
lifeboats in it, yeah.
I think it's a cruise ship. Oh yeah.
It's not a run-of-the-mill cruise ship.
Abramovich ain't turned up yet.
No. But as you can see the roads in front, you can see they've got the diamonds in.
Diamond dusted roads, mate. That's how much money's here. Diamond dust in the tarmac. Straight on or right? Right, I reckon.
Right, yeah.
Reckon?
Yeah.
Give it a go. I think we come out right in the car here.
This is
don't we?
down to the casino.
Yeah. Down to the harbour, innit? This is where your car,
Cars, yeah.
your little car is, and she's a little F1 car. I'll
Oh,
put the
seen
picture in.
It was a lot different yesterday.
Yeah.
What a difference a day makes.
Yeah, very true. Right here?
Yes.
Through the tunnel. Oh, we're on part of the circuit. Well, we can actually try and do a lap right now. We might as well. It's raining. We're not going to get
Yeah.
out.
No,
We'll do a lap of the circuit.
before we get breakfast.
Yeah. Well, we'll have to get out for breakfast. Unless there's a drive-through McDonald's, but I doubt it.
No. No.
No smoking, mate.
It was yesterday.
Shh. Grass him up. Oh. That wasn't there yesterday.
It was.
Was it?
We walked through this yesterday, didn't we?
We
That
didn't
car's
drive.
still there.
The Lamborghini.
Oh.
And you tried to get vaccinated yesterday. Didn't you,
I
Ange?
went to the wrong place for the museum.
We're looking for a museum. We all walked up to the door. Museum? They're like, no, vaccination. Well, we're not quite Leclerc speed, are we?
No. That was what's up
Left
there,
here.
Yeah.
Left here. Yeah, this is a little fun fair thing. Keep calling it a circus. It's not, it's a fun fair, and that's where we saw Lucio Cecchinello last night. I was like, it's Lucio Cecchinello.
And that's the car collection in there.
And he sort of smirked. But I didn't bother him. Didn't ask him for a selfie like most people would. Left him to go about his business. Although I should have stopped him and said, "Oi, mate, give us some pit passes, would you?" Big fan. Got your jacket in the car. It's too hot to wear a jacket. It was busy last night here though. And we saw a Ferrari 250 GT convertible. I'll slap it in the pictures now. Slap it in the video now. I'll slap a picture of it in the video, should I say. Rolex shop here. They wouldn't let us in.
And now we tried. We stood for about 5
Stood at
minutes.
the door, knocking. They wouldn't let us in.
But there was another lady who'd done the same thing. She walked off before us.
There was someone in there getting served, so maybe they only let one person in at a time.
Yeah.
Or maybe that person was extremely important and wealthy and they're allowed in on their own. Because there was someone down here, wasn't there?
Yeah.
With a police escort.
It's All Saints Day. All
Still
Hallows
never heard of
Day.
that.
It's because it's what Halloween is, basically. It's always the evil comes out, meant to stop the evil coming out.
To be honest, I've never even thought of what Halloween is for. I just thought it was a load of nonsense. I enjoyed it as a kid, but getting sweeties.
But it does say itself in this place.
Join the lights, Halloween.
Says he.
You what?
Does he?
Yeah, you know his nickname.
Okay.
There you go, we've just done a full lap of the track. Not at racing speeds, but we've done it. I think we missed a very small section out where we went past the casino. I don't think you do that. But you definitely don't go up that hill. So I'm sure there's a right hand there that they take that we are not. That's just only a part of the road when the circuit's on. Do you know what I mean? When the race is on, they make it part of the circuit. I don't know.
Okay.
We'll try in a minute. We'll go up your way and see. Yeah. I'm pretty sure. I'm right. Channel people.
Here?
Huh?
Here in the middle?
Stop breathing, man. It won't list up. Yeah, back to the channel. It's some blue skies over there and we're sort of heading that direction, so hopefully this little three-wheeler is still on the cards. Just spoke to the fella. Oh, blue lights going the other way. We just spoke to the fella.
Please move off to the right in 1 mile.
55, we're getting off.
Yeah, we just spoke to the fella. He said, with his knowledge of the local weather, he thinks by 1 o'clock it's going to be nice. And our drive is until 2, is it?
But for 2 hours, and I think I'll be ready again within 2 hours.
Well, Angie's from Ireland, so she knows a bit of rain when she sees it.
I'm looking at the forecast.
Please move off to the right in 1 mile.
She can smell the rain. But yeah, there's some blue skies over there. It's warmish, it's not cold. So, I'm getting off here.
Yes, 55. Nice Centre.
Just had a lovely bit of breakfast. Bit of croque monsieur. Premium.
Now take the exit on the right. 100 yards. And then immediately turn left.
She sounds
I wish I
Irish.
hadn't turned that speaker on, I tell you. A woman.
Half left, then full left.
Why would you have a woman on the sat-nav giving you directions? They don't have the best sense of direction anyway, do they?
Oh, I'm not going to comment.
Let alone having a woman tell you what to do. I mean, where do they go? Someone would call me a misogynist for that. Get cancelled.
And then immediately left.
To be fair,
have got
Angie's
that
quite
right.
a good co-driver, so it's all that steam coming out of there.
Oh, be corrected.
What, it's a bit
That's what.
bumpy, isn't it? Hey?
Oh my goodness.
You don't spend much money around Nice, I tell you.
We're doing the main roads. This is for the locals.
Oh my goodness.
This is what's in England.
Well, I won't go that far. It's not worse because there's no potholes. It is just lumpy and bumpy.
The correct
Oh,
it, but
that
I haven't
bit's
smoothed it out.
Prepare to
This is
turn
got
right.
potholes everywhere. But it's not good, don't get me wrong. I can
Never
happily
heard these.
say
Follow that van.
I'm glad I'm not
Now
on a
turn
bike
half
today.
left.
I'm glad I'm not on a bike today, to be fair. But up until this morning, more than happy to have been on a bike. The journey down
Please keep right in
Folkestone,
300
Folkestone,
yards
but that was literally,
and continue to follow D19.
she's doing my hair.
Turn the volume
Yeah,
down.
Folkestone was wet there, but that was what, 10 minutes to the tunnel.
Yeah.
But it wouldn't have been a good way to start the journey on a bike.
Now keep right.
Old.
Yeah.
I've forgotten what you'd call it.
I
the
don't know
style
what that
of
statue is in
architecture.
front.
Well, that's not old.
No.
That's
It's
new.
half a head with
Yeah,
a cube on top.
It's got
It's a brain head, isn't it? It's a square head.
It's that guy driving the Porsche yesterday.
Yes. I just can't see the glasses on.
I went past a guy in a Porsche yesterday. He was about 12 years old. Fair play to him for making that sort of money. He's in the GT3 by the time he's 12. But I can't even get low enough. He's literally like this. He had to lift his head to look at us through the
Over the
window.
steering wheel.
He's like, "Ooh." And it's quite funny. But fair play to him.
We're turning left.
What, here?
Oh, 400 yards.
No.